What's the doggy's name? Say it on camera.
Daenerys. No.
Daenerys.
No.
Don't yell. Neighbors might be sleeping.
You're making neighbors up.
Guys, don't be
She
so.
ate all her food.
Right, when you and mommy talk,
She ate all her food.
when you and mommy talk, you don't have to be so loud.
She ate all her food.
Perfect, perfect. I need
No.
just like that.
She ate all her food. No.
I don't need a hearing aid yet. Give me
She
another.
ate all her food.
Give me another 10 years, maybe. Okay, my hearing's not the greatest, but it's not. I don't need a hearing aid yet.
No. No.
Yeah, like that, Marcus. Not loud. The dog can hear you. There you go.